depends on what you're riding, how you are, and you know where you're riding at, because and who you're riding with, because people like to influence you and you like to ride how other people ride.
Welcome back to the channel, y'all boy. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and like and subscribe. I know. It's been a little bit over a week since I posted. That's why y'all see I'm on the camera right now. As y'all know, as you can see, I finally got my camera back. It's been hectic. But besides all that, which is why I came to say I'm gonna give y'all 2 videos back to back today, including this one. Cause yeah, and I'm gonna be a lot more consistent. I still got a lot of videos from the GoPro that I just haven't been able to post. But as y'all can see the title of today, I figured this would be a good one. You know, how dangerous are motorcycles, which is a big controversial topic. So yeah, just want to say thank y'all. We almost at 500 for 50 right now. I appreciate it for y'all. It really does mean a lot to me, man. The channel's come a long way. But let's hop into the video.
So how dangerous are motorcycles? I know that doesn't really help, but this is a very, like I said, very controversial topic, you know what I'm saying? Because people like to say, you know, they like to tell you how dangerous they are without telling you how dangerous they are. If you don't know what I mean by that, I'll give you an example. So, I met one of my parents' friends the other day, and he was like, man, he saw I got a new bike, this bike. Man, be careful, man, bike's dangerous. And, you know, I've been riding for about 3, almost 4 years. And it irks me because no matter who I meet, they don't ask, you know, how you liking the bike. They just ask, you know, be careful always. You know, and I mean, it makes sense. I understand you want to be cautious and everything, but anyway, come to find out, dude had fell off his bike, but she had like a 1,000cc bike. But the point I'm getting at is that nobody rides the same, and you don't know how this person rides versus how you ride, so you can't, you know, you can't really judge somebody. But you know, it's just a lot of things play into how dangerous bikes really are. And what I mean by that, let's start off with what I started on. I started on a 650, right? That bike, I'm 156 pounds. I'm 156 pounds, right? That bike was very agile, didn't weigh that much. It was a little bit heavier, so it was easier for me, but it wasn't too heavy. I know it doesn't make a whole lot of sense, but if you've been riding, you know. So I think it was a good starter bike. This bike weighs 400 wet. Got a good weight to it though. Very maneuverable. It's a naked bike, and for me it was perfect for me. That's why I stuck with the naked bike. But when it comes to let me turn around right here. When it comes to bigger bikes, that's what I think is the problem. Not the problem necessarily, but this bike compared to like one of those big cruisers, you see the big windshields, the big storage on the back, it's gonna be hard to just jump off that bike or turn it real quick, do all this. I can do that with ease and not feel like I'm gonna fall off, you know what I'm saying? Because if you look at it, and I give it the fact that if you look at it, most accidents happen somebody's trying to turn left in front of you. And that's where a lot of the deaths occur. Because I've been riding for 3 years, and honestly, I say that's the most time I'm worried is when somebody coming out from the right side. It's just, most people aren't looking, they're just ready to get out. And along with that, you know, I'm in South Carolina. I go to Clemson. Clemson's not too busy, but you still have to be careful, you have to be cautious. But compared to Cali, where there's lane splitting and just people weaving in and out, just a lot of through traffic, you definitely have to be careful because it goes into how you ride. You know, some people ride smooth, some people ride aggressive. If you're the type of person that gets a lot of road rage, if you get road rage with the car next to you, they can easily just hit your ass off, you know what I'm saying? So you gotta be careful. And then what was the point I was gonna make after that? I just feel like it depends on what you're riding, how you are, and you know where you're riding at, because and who you're riding with, because people like to influence you and you like to ride how other people ride, which is not a good thing, but you still like to have fun. So I like to say that, you know, bikes are dangerous. I will say that bikes are dangerous, but it depends, man, because bikes are just as dangerous as cars. And me telling you about the person that, you know, is asking, saying all that, it's always one person, man, like that. See, like, there's trees and stuff he probably would have never seen if he just pulled out. But there's always that one person that's a family member or a friend of the family that always either watches the news or they know somebody that got into an accident. And most of the time, is that gonna stop? If somebody dies in a car wreck, is that gonna stop people from driving? No. Somebody slips in the bathtub, is that gonna stop people from taking showers? No. But you gotta take everything cautious, because death is everywhere, man. You just gotta be careful. You gotta be careful. And the thing I always say, I think, you know, riding a bike takes a lot of IQ. It takes a lot of IQ. If you got pretty good IQ, like I'm a pretty good driver. Like, even in my car, I haven't been in too many accidents. I got in one that wasn't my fault. Even on the bike, we went up some mountains. I let the bike, I kind of laid the bike down. I've never been in an accident, knock on wood. But you have to, it depends on you, you know. If you're the, I'll say this too, to give y'all another perspective. I've been riding for almost 3-4 years, right? This was the first year since I got this bike that I've ever been on the highway. I've never been on the highway because I just never trusted it, but it's not as bad as people think. And the last huge point I'm gonna make is that a lot of deaths occur because, I don't know, it's not in every state, but in South Carolina you don't have to have a helmet to be able to ride. As long as you're 21, you're good. And along with the helmet things, a lot of people don't ride with their gear. And you know, me today, I'm not wearing arms, but most people don't even wear gloves. And gloves, I feel like, man, if you go down, your hands are gonna be messed up. But most people, I think, I'm wearing a helmet all the time. But the jacket, if you go down, man, if you run into a car, I feel like they do some sort, you're still gonna be hurt, but they're gonna do some sort of protection rather than you really getting messed up, you know what I'm saying? And I feel like that's a big play on the number of factors of how dangerous your motorcycle can be. So, it's saying that I tried to make this video for if you're just trying to get into motorcycles, or you're a parent and you're really against it, but your child keeps wanting, or they're gonna go out on their own and get a bike. Because my mom was against it, but she's seen, you know, how I am. She's known I've been a good driver. I've been driving since I was 14, and she's seen, you know, being on the bike, I've been safe. And I actually took her for a ride, and my siblings. So I feel like, you know, if you're the type you've been riding dirt bikes, you're going up little by little, not just to hop on a bigger bike and be dangerous. Try it out. Let your children try it out. Whatever. Of course, it depends on them. So I think that's gonna be it for this video, man. Let me know what y'all think down below. Comment down below what makes motorcycles dangerous. What y'all seen, the worst stuff y'all seen, you know. And just, you know, hit me up. Whatever, you know, I'm always here. But I appreciate y'all. I appreciate y'all being patient and watching the videos, man. Because we're going up, man. It's 2019. This is the year. And I'm going to catch y'all on the next one, man. Keep doing y'all thing.